So you've never ridden in an airship ever? Well, mine's just parked outside. I mean, it's fully inflated. We could go now. If you do fancy coming along for a ride. Yes. She said she'd never ridden in an airship. Since my Zeppelin was right there, I picked her up. Now where is a cuppa and a comfy chair? Would you care to share it? You can cuddle up to Jeffrey in the air. Don't be scared, miss. She said she'd never met an inventor, so I showed her my robot wasp, told her I'd protect her. You could wear this suit of armor while I deliver lectures. I promised I could charm her while spinning my adventures. She wasn't all that impressed. Come on, madam, won't you at least try on the vest? She said that I was maladjusted, didn't trust that I could handle condiments and cut the mustard. She said I lacked sobriety and sussed it. I'm the drunkest fellow in the pub, the tipsiest in Sussex. Give this life a try, you might learn to love it. But my Zeppelin fell apart in the park in public. I just wanted to know her. I tried to soberly show her. I said, look, I've got a brain in a jar, and I'm training it to sing. I'm going to make it a star. She had no taste for the strange and bizarre. I realized it's not best to say who you are. And if a girl's not impressed by a laser-guided giant wasp, I'm not sure what I've got left to show her. I'm at a loss. You'll be astounded by what I've got next. But when I looked around, I realized that she'd got up and left. Oh. She's not entirely wrong. I mean, that's why I'm left writing this song. She wrote an epilogue later. I read it all, and all in all, I really couldn't blame her. She said I'm better off alone for everyone's sake. So I sit at home with Jeffrey, guess I've still got an A. I mean, that's something. That's everything, really. That's enough.